What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can send money or funds from the UK to Nepal using Taptap Send app. So let's get started. Now guys, if this is your first time sending money using Taptap Send, you can use the promo code from the description below and input it right here. As you can see, I've got some bonus credit, and if you use that promo code, you will get £15 on your next Taptap Send transfer. So don't miss that opportunity to get some free funds on your transfer. And now let's go ahead and continue. So to send money from the UK to Nepal, you would just need to select Nepal as a recipient country right here. So I will just search for Nepal, and here it is right here. So once you select your recipient country, we would need to input the amount of funds that we want to transfer. So let's say that I want to transfer 20 euros, or in your case, this will be 20 pounds because you have a UK address. And here definitely input that promo code if you want to get £15 on your transfer. And now let's go ahead and tap on next. Now we would need to add a recipient, so let's select that. And here are a few options that you can use when you're sending money to Nepal. So either a bank account, cash pickup, or this third option. Now I will just select the first one, which is a bank account. And here you would need to input the recipient's full name and the name of their bank. So you would just need to select their bank, and let's say that they have a Citizen Bank and their bank account number. So let's go ahead and quickly do that. Now once you inputted all of your info, you can go ahead and tap on next right here. And on the next screen, you will be able to select your payment method. So let's say that you want to transfer money using your debit card or your bank account or even Google Pay. You can select each one of those. And once you selected the payment method, you would just need to confirm the transaction. So once you confirm the transaction, the funds will be sent from UK to Nepal using Taptap Send. And essentially, that's guys how you can send money to Nepal if you're from the UK using the Taptap Send app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.